Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix iRobot Roomba error 11. So guys, error 11 means Roomba has a wheel motor stall or drive issue. So it's having trouble turning or moving properly. So first one is press and hold clean for 10 to 20 seconds until Roomba powers off and wait a few seconds, then press clean again to restart. Now, another option is flip Roomba over and check both wheels and remove any hair, dust, or debris wrap around the wheel axles and make sure it is free from any movement. Now, guys, you can also remove the front caster wheel and clear out any dirt or tangled debris. And you could just simply do a test run. And if the errors still occur, just simply contact a professional repair for this to be fixed. There you go. See ya.